Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. I think we've got here the most exhilarating car in the world to drive, the Cobra two-seater replica. You got open cockpit with the wind blowing through your hair. You got the roar of the side pipes right next to you. It handles like a go-kart. These things are just awesome. If you've never owned one, you need to try it at least once. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can read all the specs, look at all the pictures, and get the price on this one. And we also have a few hundred collector cars on there, all for sale at volocars.com. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon, and you'll be notified as new ones come out. But right now, why don't you join me and we'll go for a spin in this 65 Cobra replica. This one here is an Everitt Morrison. That's the name of the manufacturer of this body. This car has 1,000 miles on a body off frame restoration. So this car was built back in the 90s, and just recently it was restored. Just a quick rundown of what we got. 302 Ford motor, 5-speed trans, has Corvette independent front and rear suspension. So it's a great handling car. So let's talk more about the underside. It's the Everitt Morrison chassis. It's got 4-inch tubular frame rails with all the supports that come off of that, all painted gloss black. Underneath this car is actually really incredibly clean. It looks brand new under this car. So not only independent suspension in front, but it's also in back. It's got aluminum axle shafts. It's from a C5 Corvette. And it's got a T5 5-speed trans. Obviously, there's no exhaust under the car. Those are real pipes right there. They do have some shield, so help prevent you from burning your legs when you get out. So the body and paint's gorgeous. There is a little nick or a minor, little flaw here or there, but no damage, no cracking, nothing funny going on. The body is really straight. It fits nicely. The stripes are painted on real nice. And wait till I show you, the stripes are under the hood too. The chrome and bezels, everything looks new. It's got, I call them bumperettes, but that would be an option. The windshield's crystal clear. These are chrome or stainless. It's got the visors. It's got wing windows. This one has 15-inch Weld aluminum wheels. Fatter in back, obviously. That nice muscle car look. And it's pretty cool. They're Cooper Cobras, so it has like the Cobra snake on there. Pop-up gas cap. Got the bumperettes on the back. A functional roll bar. So the trunk compartment, you got some storage space here. It's carpeted. There's a new battery. To open the hood, there's like a pull cable inside the door pocket. It's got leather bucket seats. It has full race harness belts for each seat. It's got the Shelby style steering wheel. It has a new set of white face gauges. 1,000 miles on the odometers. That's since the car's been redone. It's all carpeted real nice. So the interior looks real good. Original style bullet mirror. It's a 302 Ford motor, aluminum intake, a big Summit dual feed carburetor. It's got a gas strut that holds it open. It's got an electric fan with an overflow bottle. Has stainless steel tubes for radiator hoses, billet brackets on the front, serpentine belt, chrome alternator, power rack and pinion steering with stainless steel braided hoses. It's got the Cobra finned valve covers and air cleaner. It's got a crazy set of headers. They look like spaghetti. Pretty cool. It's hydraulic clutch. I see the reservoir there. And I was talking about under the hood has the same, is painted blue with the same exact white stripes. And I didn't show you in the trunk, I don't know if you'll see it or not, but it has that same thing going on under the trunk lid. It's painted blue with the white stripe. So, enough of me talking. You want to hear this bad boy run, and so do I. Even has a clock. There's nothing like ripping down the road, shifting through the gears in one of these with that exhaust roaring right next to you. You're down low to the ground. These things handle so great. It's like the world's most ultimate go-kart. So you can visit volocars.com. Plenty of ways on there to contact us. We'll help answer any questions or concerns about the car or the process, shipping, financing, all that's available. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon and you'll be notified. You'll be the first to see the next video that comes out. Thanks for watching.